And when we first started with Scan4Safety in the cardiac area, the stock value was approaching £1 million, very close to over 9,000 product items, or SKUs as they're often called. And over time, because you've got visibility, you can see what items are being used, you can see the popular items, you can check your PAR levels and understand what stock levels you actually need. You can also, effectively manage your expiry based on what you've got loaded into the program for visibility, for volumes. And with the automated system, it triggers orders so that you can actually review them, say, do I want this or not, and make a decision about it. And now the stock value is just over £600,000. So there's a £400,000 saving, which is substantial. And we've not run out of a valve since we've started. Data dashboards are incredibly important to clinical teams because they can understand what they have actually done. They can understand what activity they've taken. They can understand what activity is actually being left still to do. So from an activity planning perspective, it's incredibly important. They can also see, though, what their colleagues are doing. So if you are the budget holder for that area, you can see across all of the 4 theatres that are running, you can see what your spend is. So when you are having financial conversations, perhaps at the end of the month about what stock have you used, how many patients have we seen, what does the waiting list perhaps look like, that can all be balanced through the dashboards because you can see the data. You can also see length of stay. You can see exactly which staff members were in there. So if we have in cardiac, occasionally we will get a patient that then tests positive for tuberculosis, TB, we can see which staff members were in there. So if the procedure is done this morning and the patient tests positive tonight, we can contact all them and they can be contacted instantly to make sure that they're not affected, because that dashboard is available, the data is available for drilling down into.